Alright, Parallax is installed. Now let's actually use it. I'm going to show you how to run a full security scan, and it's way easier than you'd think. Click New Scan on the left. This is where you type in what you want to scan. Could be a domain, an IP, whatever you need. For this example, let's go with example.com. Down here, you've got all your scanning tools. By default, everything's selected, which is usually what you want, but you can toggle individual tools on or off, depending on the kind of scan you're running. Hit Start Scan and watch it go. Every tool runs simultaneously and you can see each one's progress in real time. That bar at the top shows the overall status. Once it's done, you land on the Findings page. Everything that was found is right here, organized by severity. We're going to break down how to read all this in the next video. And that's your first scan done. Not too bad, right? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we dive deep into understanding your results.